Hey, it's Andrew here, and today I'm reviewing this door draft stopper. I'm going to demonstrate a couple ways that I use it, and also one thing you should know before purchasing. I purchased this door draft stopper because when Megan and I both work from home, our offices are next door to one another. So oftentimes we can hear each other on calls or even hear the TV from the family room. So I needed something to block or dampen the noise. And I got this particular one because it can easily be removed and placed under any doors in the house, and it's very easy to customize to any door size, from 30 inches across all the way up to 38 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you how easy it is to customize. And what I did is I simply measure my door, and you can see here that it's 44 inches across. I measure it out, and then I cut both foam inserts. All right. Now, once I have those cut, I want to place them back into their covering and test it out. Before testing it out, I'm making sure that they are nice and tight in the covering. So I'm going to fold this flap over and then of course Velcro them into place. It's quick and easy to really place under the door, so you just simply slide it under the door frame. And as you can see, it fits flush against the door and also allows the door to easily open and close. So next, let's actually test it out for noise. Here's with a song playing. And then I'll demonstrate a video with voices. And spend it doing some surprising activities. So the thing that you should know, and probably noticed, is that it doesn't fully block the sound, as the door isn't airtight, of course. However, it definitely dampens the sound, which was my main goal. Another use of this is to block drafts of air coming from under a door, or even block light from coming up from under the door as well. So here I'm placing it in my laundry room, which dampens the noise of a washer and dryer and also blocks the light from underneath the door. Overall, I'm really impressed with this simple yet highly effective device and can definitely recommend it for you.